Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellen. So today I will do some makeup tutorials. The makeup tutorial that I'm holding up first is eyeshadow, but we're gonna do foundation first. So let me know down below in the comment what makeup material is your favorite. If it's eyeshadow, that's my favorite. Let me know. So I am going to put my foundation on now. Let's put on my forehead. Around here. On my chin. Put on lips. I'm gonna roll it up a little bit. That is too dark on me, guys. Yeah, that's my brother. He's skating in my room. Okay, I'm done with my foundation. Put it right there. Now we're going to start doing blush. I'm going to try to open this. Now I totally look weird. No, I don't look weird. Mommy, can you open this? After the brush, we're going to do eyeshadow. And then we're going to put some lipstick on. Lip gloss. Okay, let's get this brush on this brush. That one's in good. All done with the blush. You can't use too much. Got a Q-tip. Let's open my mascara. The eyeshadow, that's its name. What color do you think I should use, guys? I have lots of different colors. Ooh, they look super pretty on screen. That one or any of that. I think I should use. I want to use the green. Now, don't get too upset because you can't get too much or it will all break, okay? Okay. Let's get a different Q-tip and use this. I'm going to use that color for my other eye. And I got this from my Gigi. And she's my mother-in-law. I got it from my mother-in-law, Gigi. I'm done with my mascara. Now I'm going to put some lip gloss. Now it's just clear white. Don't get too upset. Okay, done with that. And that's all the makeup tutorials I have. I got things right to make sure to like, subscribe, and do the thumbs up. And if the mascara and if the eyeshadow was your favorite, comment down below if it was. I got things right to make sure to like, subscribe, and do the thumbs up.